Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use the Lotus Lamp X step by step so you can easily connect and control your smart light. So let's jump right in. First, of course, download and install the Lotus Lamp X from the App Store or Google Play Store, and once the installation is finished, go ahead and open the app. Now, when the app launches for the first time, you'll land on this main screen. From here, you want to tap the plus icon at the top, right over here, to add a new device. Now, the app will then ask for a few permissions, usually Bluetooth and location access, and these are required so the app can find and connect to your lamp. So make sure you allow them. Now, if Bluetooth isn't turned on yet, the app will prompt you to enable it. After Bluetooth is on, the app will search for nearby devices, and when your Lotus lamp appears on the list, just simply tap on it to connect. And once you're connected, you're ready to control your lighting. On the main control screen, you'll see the color control area. From here, you can change the light's color using the color wheel or preset color options. Just tap on or slide on the wheel and the lamp will update instantly. Another cool feature is music mode. This one right here. When you enable this, the lamp reacts to music playing on your phone or sounds picked up by your microphone. The light will pulse or change based on the beat or rhythm, which is great for parties or mood lighting. And we also have more options here, such as strobing lights and also scheduler here, right over here. And overall, the Lotus Lamp X app is very simple to use and gives you full control of your lighting from one place. And basically, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!